Ní Coimhthíoch liom bhur gCine. Ní Coimhthíoch liom bhur gCine bhur muintir swar neam na nune is na nune. Facas dom haniad a níanag is an neilibh a ménig sa dré harsach mo ghoris.
I am no stranger to your people. I am no stranger to your people, your kith and kin. I am familiar with your nature and your spirit at the threshold of my country.
Ní Coimhthíoch liom staid bhur gCine, á niondra sá drascart bhá leis giste. Lá bhláidir na sainte ag goid bhur godach a chur blunig bholog na nálórach.
I am no stranger to your history, to invasions in search of treasure, the strong hand of greed which took what was yours and impoverished your people.
Ní Coimhthíoch liom uachras bhur gCine, cé gur mé iad a bhánta is de hailte. Bhás am chinne ina mílte coscasáin, is an chrón hála gat nuair go siise an lírscras.
I am no stranger to your hardships in a land of bounty and plenty. My people died in their thousands by the roadside, while they flourished at the devastation.
Ní Coimhthíoch liom freisin misneach bhur gCine, mar a chroit siad an cá agus an ilhearga ligean. Has si ban fód frí cheannas an lích mo swaswa. Ní dhéanam si dearmad Piers tóna imit.
I am no stranger to the courage of your people, how they fought and laid down their lives, how they stood their ground under Mishweshwe. I don't forget Piers Tone or Emmet.
Ní Coimhthíoch liom scéal ná síocht bhur gCine, an airis go tréan halach na muintere. Dún agus dáin, rán agus fáiscéal, taithíonn na gcían á rintearú go cliste.
I am no stranger to the stories of your people that are told around the fireside. Song and poem and fable, sharing age-old wisdom with a new generation.
Ní Coimhthíoch liom freisin epicí bhur gCine, bhla me haniad halach agus ag tine. Búláini go sincaping agus cuilteach rónáin mar a seascaidir an olfeist agus an dragún mire.
I am no stranger to your epics. I've heard them by the hearth. Búláini, Sincaping and Coimhthíoch Rónan, how they slew the monster and overcame the dragon's flames.
Ní Coimhthíoch liom trethe bhur gCine, mean go na hainire ag gin gasan na súl. Ógir chuilcecha ag fáiltiún téisteach agus cinnte an gáardis á mádú go brach.
I am no stranger to your people, the young girl's enchanting smile, the young man's heartfelt welcome, the fires of joy rekindled forever.
Ní Coimhthíoch liom alles bhur gnámh ag saoirú na talún thug bethe agus bár. Bhíonn mhó an amáistid sa góirimh ceann, bálar mo bhaile is sína suan sa tintán.
I am no stranger to the toil of your people, working the land, the source of all life, your cattle holding as prized a place as with us.
A rí agus a banríonn Lesotho, tá fáilte agus céadróibh go hinis fóla. Tá bhur géim is bhur gáilíocht a bhfad is in neár, agus leis a tábheith arne si bhain seo an ar láthir.
King and Queen of Lesotho, there are 1,000 welcomes to Ireland. Your reputation and good name is far and wide, and it is our good fortune that you are with us here.